Princess from QC. I am 15 years old. My hobbies are...
Sabong.
We, papansin.
Excuse me? You, the one. Yes. Yes, you. Yung nagsalita.
Deserve.
You stand up nga. You stand up. Are you disrespecting me? Who are you? May napatunayan ka na ba? Kung umasta ka, kala mo you're above everyone here, ha?
Correct.
Plus, I don't care if kisihudang anak ka ng CEO. I don't care. You don't disrespect me or your classmates like that. I didn't take my master's in UP.
Educate him, ma'am.
So you can display your rudeness here in my classroom. Kala mo kung sino. Continue, Iha.